Hello, my name's Seth Smith. I'm a second year apprentice at Smith's Body Shop Paint and Panel. Well, I'd actually gone for a mechanics course at MTA, and one of the lecturers had come up to me and asked if I wanted to have a look at the body shop side of it, and yeah, that's pretty much where it all stemmed from. I reckon the best part about finishing a job is to stand back and actually have a look at what you've accomplished on the job and see from the start to finish of what you've done. Just being up against the clock here that's always in the back of your head is how quick you've got to go to accomplish your job. I actually look up to my tradesman in the workforce because he's been through a lot and he's done a lot within the trade, and it's cool to see what he can and can't do. Well, I've actually got quite a few cars. I recently just got rid of my first car, which was an AUU. I'd ripped the motor out and put that motor into my drift car, so yeah, the current cars at the moment, I'm dailying an EL Falcon and drifting an EF Falcon, and my dream car is probably an S14. I'd love to get that on the track. I've actually got an S14 bumper bar on my EF at the moment that I drift, so it's pretty cool.